Welcome to the Practical Engineering Solutions channel. My name is Jack. In one of my previous videos, I showed how I built a perimeter ground system here in the lab and the ham station. Since then I've added quite a bit of equipment. You can see it over my shoulder here. And I decided to put an enhancement in. And I think it's worked out pretty well. I think it complements the perimeter ground system, and I think it's going to further reduce the noise that I had on certain bands. So let me show you what I did and how I did it, and I'd like to hear your comments. If you remember last time, I showed how I put a ground system throughout the lab here in the ham shack by using 3/4 inch copper tubing. That travels all underneath the bench, below the bench, and goes around outside and around the yard. Well, what I did was, behind this, one of these displays, I installed an SPG called a single point ground. So let me take that display down and we can talk about that. Okay, I removed the front display on the right hand side, and you can see the single point ground there in the background. Let me zoom in a little bit. This is a copper plate I got at Amazon. It's about 12 inches long, 1/4 of an inch thick, and about 2.5 inches wide. And I screwed it to a strip underneath the power strip, the two power strips that are above it, and connected all my grounds to that. So the grounds from the come from all the radios, from the tuners, and the antenna rotator. Everything connects to this single point ground. And what I did was I drilled a bunch of holes and I tapped them with a tap and screwed them in with lock washers. So everything goes to that one single point. And it's pretty easy to work on and to add, because all I have to do is remove the right hand display and I have access to it. I didn't want to put it too low, but I wanted to get it to the point where I could connect all of the saddle clamps that I have connected, or several saddle clamps I have connected to the 3/4 inch copper tubing that surrounds the shack here in the lab, and then, if you remember, goes outside and connects to the grounding rods outside the house. So that's kind of it. I think it's really accessible, and it's worked out pretty well for me. And I just have one place now to connect all my grounds, and I put in some extra holes, you can see there, and tapped them just in case there's more stuff that's going to be added later. All my power supplies connect to that too. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video.